So in this quick video, I want to just go over a new product from Coherent, which is their new 1000A Waveshaper Sharp. And so the Waveshaper Sharp is a higher resolution programmable optical filter that's going to have a steeper skirt. And what I'd like to do is go ahead and show that now. So let me explain what I have on my network currently. So I have a wave maker, which is this. It's an ASE source, a Waveshaper, an EDFA, and then an internal OSA and another Waveshaper. Okay? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a filter on this wave maker, right? And I'm setting this filter up for 193.66 with a resolution bandwidth or a bandwidth of 0.1. Okay? So, and I've goosed the power up a little bit. This is the EDFA in the wave maker, so I've turned the power up a little bit. And then what I have is I have this going into a Waveshaper Sharp, and then the output of the Waveshaper Sharp going into a wave analyzer, spectrum analyzer. So the Waveshaper Sharp, I'm just transmitting. I'm sending everything through at transmit level. Okay, so the Waveshaper Sharp is essentially out of the circuit here. And so what I'm looking at here is the filter shape. And I'm looking at the falling edge of this filter right here. Okay? And I'm putting a few averages on just to clean up the noise a bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and deactivate that trace. And we're going to keep it displayed. I'm going to activate trace B, and I'm going to select trace B. I'm going to display it. I'm going to select it. All right, so that's showing the same thing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to widen up this filter coming out of the wave maker. And what that's going to allow me to do is, okay, and so what that's going to allow me to do is to put in the Waveshaper filter inside of this bandwidth here. I'm going to put a Waveshaper filter right in here. Okay, so I'm going to put the Waveshaper filter at the same frequency that I put the Wave Maker filter. Let's go ahead and apply that. Okay, we'll see this start to come down. Let's turn off the averaging. Let's re-average it. So you can see here what's happening is it's more of a square top filter than the standard one. And you can see the slope of this line is a bit tighter here. And actually, as you get lower, if you looked at this on a monochromator based OSA, you would see that this drops down significantly. I just don't have enough sensitivity to show that. So this is kind of the difference between the Waveshaper and the Wave Maker. Let's see if we can we can look at this. We should be able to look at both sides. Let's look at the other side as well. This is a little bit more, so you can definitely see the difference here. This is the rising edge, right? Look at how much sharper that is. All right, remember green is the Waveshaper Sharp, red is a standard Waveshaper. Okay, so if this is something that would be worthwhile to you for your application, definitely give us a call. We have these available in demo. We'd be happy to get one out to you to take a look at.